I suppose it goes back to my background. I'm a second-generation refugee. I arrived here as a child, and being able to do what I do is my way of giving back, to represent clients who are in a situation where they can't, in some respects, speak for themselves, sometimes literally because they don't speak the language. It provides me that privilege to be able to do what I like.
From a young age, I was interested in law, starting with a family friend who was a policewoman, and then I had various experiences at courts, and that kind of cemented my interest and passion for working in the justice system.
I suppose you could say I always wanted to make a difference. I've always wanted to be able to give the smaller people in the society, if that makes sense, the voice that they don't have.
I'm passionate about helping my clients with problems. Often they come to me with a dispute that's affecting their day-to-day lives, and coming up with solutions to help my clients is very rewarding, and it allows them to move on with their day-to-day lives as they were before the dispute arose.
To me, it's being able to make that little bit of difference and have that little bit of positive influence in my clients' lives by doing something that they themselves may not be able to do.
Don't be afraid to ask questions, because that's the best way you learn. And don't put off or shy away from dealing with something difficult. Find an area of law that you're interested in and believe in your abilities, and you can be more successful and enjoy your role if it's an area of law you're interested in.
Don't be afraid of who you are. Embrace who you are. Ask questions. Doesn't matter how silly you think it may sound, ask them, because that's the only way you learn and that's the only way you move forward. That was the advice I've received. It's allowed me to question what we've got in terms of our legal system in this country, whether the legislation we have is fair, whether the established case law we've got is fair, whether it's something that I can use my position and my role and be able to challenge on behalf of my clients. So yeah, never be afraid to be who you are and do what you think is the right thing.